heading out today, guys. Magmamall kami today. Pero, breakfast muna tayo. May mga mangyayari pa pala before the mall. Mag-breakfast tayo. And then, at 10:45, I booked Ayla's braiding. So, we will do that after breakfast. Papabraid natin yung buhok ni Ayla. Sana hindi ganun katagal. Kasi sabi nila dun, hanggang 1 hour 30 minutes daw. But konti lang naman yung buhok ni ate. Suot-suot ko yung set na nabili natin sa Cotton On District. Yung outlet. Yung kasama natin sa Ayla sa shopping. So, hindi sila set talaga. Separate sila, pero matchy-matchy silang dalawa. Something komportable sa ating pag-shopping today. So, punta tayo ng Beach Walk Mall. Sa different area siya. So, nasa Kuta siya. Mag-taxi tayo doon. Hindi ko na-vlog yung taxi experience namin kahapon, but it was actually pretty easy. So, merong nag-aabang na kuya doon sa baba. Siya yung taxi service ng resort. Kasi sinabi ko yung pangalan ng restaurant. Malapit lang yung restaurant, guys. Kasi nasa Jimbaran na tayo. And yung restaurant is nasa Jimbaran Beach lang. Yung Ayo Resto Bali. Sabi niya, 60,000. Sabi ko, 60,000? Tapos wala naman akong intention sanang tumawad. Parang nagtatranslate lang ako sa utak ko ba. Sabi niya, how much you want? How much you want? Sabi ko, 50. Hindi ako marunong tumawad, guys. Nahihiya nga ako tumawad. Okay lang sana nga ako hindi tumawad. Kasi kaya naman, $60,000, $6. And sabi niya, yeah. Someone's knocking?
Mommy, I took the photo of Indy.
Is Daddy stuck outside? He is. What is he doing? Why are you there?
It's not a good this car. I was trying to see that.
Mommy, I took the photo of Indy.
Oh, you did? Oh my gosh, she's so cute! Lapit na yung bote mo, be. So, sinusok ko siya sa boiling hot water. So, hinihintay na lang nila ako. Excited si Ayla kasi magpapabraid na siya finally. Since first day namin dito, sinasabi niya, akala namin dun siya sa beach mismo. So tinanong ko yung staff dun sa kids club. Meron pala dun sa kids club. Sila yung pupunta dun. So sabi ko mas mabuti din kasi kapag sa beach tayo, baka sobrang init as maghihintay tayo ng matagal. At least nasa kids club tayo, maganda yung temperature. Tapos wala tayo sa labas. Alam mo yun? Pwede lang si Arlo maglaro habang... Hi, here my love! Habang nagpapabraid sa atin. Here. This one. Off to Brekkie we go. You look pretty, girl. Arlo looks handsome as usual. Daddy looks guapo. Go, ate. Oh, wow. You know where to go?
Yeah. Let Daddy go.
Keep going. Nauna na si Arlo, oh. Do you know where to go, Matt? You look so good, Matt. Buti na lang kinikip niya yung hat. Ang gwapo-gwapo niya sa hat. She looks so cute. She's the cutest baby. Breakfast.
Oh, no. Oh my God.
It doesn't look as busy. Nakakuha ako noodles, guys. Thank you. And Daddy ordered iced latte. So, mayroon silang noodle station dito. Naghintay lang ako dito kanina kasi walang tao. Daratingin si Kuya, maya-maya lang. Gusto kasi din ni Dan. Yeah, one plate's fine. Thank you. Can I get 2 sunny side ups as well, please? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, together is fine. Thanks. Alright, kain tayo. Thank you. Gusto din ni Dan. Kaya lang, pumunta ako dun, walang tao. So, tinanong namin si ate ang bait nila. Gawan daw nila kami. Try natin today. I put other stuff on mine. Don't put chili. The chili is pretty strong. That's Nice and light. Masarap to. Naglagay ako ng green chili. It's not as busy anymore, babe. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yours looks good, babe. With nothing in it. Yun yung itsura kay Dan. Kasi hindi pa nalagyan ng soy sauce or ano-ano. Oh, that's nice, babe. It's really nice without anything. That's good. Hey, you finished your food? Oh, well done. Si Arlo, iniwan lang namin dun sa kids corner. Kaya umuupo kami. Dito lang malapit sa kids corner. Kasi nandyan lang. So kahapon dun kami nakaupo malapit din. Yung nakikita namin siya. Kasi okay lang siya, guys. Dun siya. Independent boy talaga ang aking dudong, guys. I got noodles. Do you want noodles? You finish the milk. We'll get more. Isla, do you want more milk? Aww, sharing. Good sharing, kuya. More. There's more left. Finish it. Ay, buyag ni mo, guwapo. Yeah, good sharing, boy. Oh, you go play. Do you want me to get you more food?
Pig.
Yeah. Do you want me to get you more food?
Mommy, I go up there.
You want to go up there? No. Don't go up there.
It's too big.
Yeah, not safe.
And then no doors.
Yeah, no doors. Alo, do you want more food? Do you want me to get you more?
No.
Okay. Andun na si Daddy, oh. Naghahanap na ng kanyang makakain. Meron na siyang omelette dito. Ay, actually, naubos na yung omelette niya. And meron siyang noodles. Oh, wala nang katao-tao, guys. See, wala nang mga laman. Pati sa labas, wala na masyadong laman. Oh, wow. You are very tall. I don't understand, sorry. You close at 10:30. Yes. Yeah, that's okay. No, we're good. Yeah. Thank you. Kaya din siguro wala ng tao kasi late na naman pala. Mag-close kasi yung breakfast 11, 10:18 na. Isla, do you want more? Do you want me to get you more croissant? Hi, guys. Oh, ano yan? Huh? Nangat-ngat ko yung straw, guys. Mantay, sarado ako kay mami kasi ninangat-ngat ko yung straw. Ang haba niyan kanina. So, kailangan bantayan. That's enough. No more. Look at the guys. Oh, look. I'm good. Gonna get juice with mama? Let's go get juice. Gonna get juice? Yeah, guava, please. If they don't have mango. Is that mango? Ah, thank you. Meron silang bayabas juice dito. Masarap actually. Do you have guava? Yes. Ate, are you ready to get your hair braided?
Yeah.
Hello, you gotta stay still, okay? So they can do it properly. How still are you gonna be? Oh, good job. Oh, alright, you guys ready? You're ready, Daddy?
Yep.
I like my tissue, but
Can you put the milk in the bag? You finish your food?
I like my
Good job. Ganyan yung gusto ni Isla.
Come in.
Yep.
It's alright, baby.
Hello. Do you want green and pink? Do you want purple?
Do you want purple? We have purple. You want pink and purple?
Pink, purple.
Pink and purple, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Isla.
Okay. Chicken, please.
Good job, Papa.
A message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to.
Ah, look how pretty! Yes! So, you look so guapa, my love. Go, Alo! Go! It's relaxing. You're a good boy! Naghihintay na lang kami kay Kuya, guys. So, meron silang taxi service dito sa labas. Katabi ng slide. Dala-dala namin yung pram para may katulong kaming dala ng aming mga gamit. Alright, go in! Alo, you stay in the middle, Alo. Ate on the side. Yeah. You stay in the middle. Go, Ate. Good job, Ate. You got the bag, Daddy? Yeah. Okay.
It's a long drive.
Hello, can you sleep? Can you sleep, beautiful? Oh my gosh. Sus, kawa pa rin hindi. How many minutes you think? A bit long.
Sorry? 14 minutes, maybe? 15?
18?
14 minutes.
40?
14? Yeah.
Enjoy, guys. Get some sleep.
No, I know.
Do you have the bag there, babe?
I know.
She just vomited on me. Can I have a
Oh,
wipe,
you
please?
disgusting.
It's okay. It's a little bum bum. It's a little bum bum. Mama's used to it now.
This is nothing but one night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get so close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking.
Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko sa
Why
inyo.
are we not
Magpapunta pala
there?
kaming beach walk
Mommy,
na mall.
The beach, guys.
Sa Kuta.
Oh, we're not
Ayun na.
there.
Look at the beach, guys.
you is dead. Wow.
And nandito na tayo sa Kuta.
Oh, you
Isa to sa pinaka-popular na pinupuntahan ng mga taga-Australia. Yung Kuta. Kaya sobrang busy dito. Naglalaro lang sila. Ayaw matulog. Pero okay lang. I think we are here. May nakita akong Zara dyan. Yeah, beach walk. We're here, babe. So that's good. We can just come out here and then take a taxi from here too later. So chinarge kami ni Kuya ng 150. Dito na kami sa Zara, guys. Tingin-tingin lang, lakad-lakad. Oh. Sabi niya, Mommy, can I buy you something? Nah, I don't want that. Come on, let's keep going. Here, kids. For you. Is there anything here for you? Check. Here. Nah, she's a bit tall, but that's okay. Come here. See? nice. These ones. $129, so that's $12. That's good. Mickey Mouse. How much?
2,000.
You got $2,000. How much do you have, Alo? Oh my gosh, you guys are very lucky.
2,000.
Alright, here guys. Ayun, nakita namin yung Alo. Ito yung gusto kong puntahan. Check ko lang kung ano meron sila. Kaya lang, ang hirap. Hindi ako makatry. Kasi may karga-karga akong Inday. Tapos may Charles and Keith kaharap. Ay, gusto ko sanang itry yung ano nila, leggings. Yung mga ganun. Kakapasok pa lang namin, yung mga anak ko nagreklamo na. Si Ayla sabi niya, this is so boring. Si Arlo sabi niya, I'm hungry. Wala man ako nakitang gusto kong, ito yung brown. Nakabili ako sanis. Yun lang yung matatry ko. Ang ganda sana kasi kasya sa akin yung mga length. Maliliit. Hindi ko lang makasya. I mean, hindi ko matry.
Daddy, where's my money?
Then I want it.
Pumasok ako dito guys sa Oysho. Kaya lang hindi ako makatry. Meron ako nakitang gusto kong itry. Ganda yung kulay. Ito. Kaya lang meron tayong Inday. Susinday. Buyag ni mo ay. Labas na tayo. Napin natin pamilya natin. Lumabas sila daddy. Ganda ng buhok ni Ayla. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Si Arlo din, oh, bagay na bagay yung outfitan niya. Yeah. Lots of baby black fish. That's good. Diyan ako galing Oysho. Feeling ko ano yan. Indonesian, hindi ko sure. Ngayon ko lang yan narinig eh. Meron silang swimwear, activewear. Meron din silang casual wear dun sa kabila. Maganda actually.
Let's get them highlighted.
Oh, yeah. I don't know food.
Oh yeah, no fish honey. Do you like it? Or do you want to try cheese? Yeah? Try cheese too, thank you. Not try chocolate. Thank you. Try. Let me know which one you like. Cheese or this? He wants cheese and that. No, you choose one. Which one do you want? Cheese? Oh, we can mix. Alright, we'll mix. Yeah,
Just get a small.
yummy! What do you say, Kamati?
I think I like it. You need one?
Is that one?
Let's have a look.
That's it. Got points.
Yummy.
No, I like the popcorn.
Aww. He said, guys, I got popcorn. Good job, Alo.
I have a toy.
Guys, nandito kami sa loob ng mall. Palakad-lakad lang kami. Tapos, napunta kami dito sa may mga pagkain. Bilhan lang namin yung mga bata ng pagkain nila. And may nakita kaming market dyan sa labas. Like sa exit na, oh. So, ayan, exit na yan dyan. Tapos, dun sa labas, may mga display na mga kung ano-ano. And yan yung mga gustong-gusto naming pinupuntahan. So, punta kami dun. Labas kami mamaya pag okay na yung mga bata. Pag tapos na sila kumain. Tapos, mamaya, balik lang tayo pasok dito kapag nainitan na. But at least, it's just there. And it's a whole strip of just like souvenir shops, market style. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Dito kami sa shop ni ate for dance singlet refill. The Bintang. Kuta.
1 minute, yeah, because hot I give 10 for you kid. You're not hot, you kid.
Oh, thank you. Aw. Just gonna put the fan on. Thank you. They have more singlets there, babe. Nawala ni daddy yung sunnies niya. Yung mumurahin lang naman yun. Binili niya yung sa Gaisano sa Toledo. Sa Pinas ba? Nawala. Papalitan niya ng galing sa Bali. Nabudol kami, guys. Nakabili na kami kay ate. Na-realize namin, nag-overpay kaming dalawa. Hindi namin na-work out yung conversion sa aming mind quick enough. But that's okay. Bait naman yun si ate. Nakabili kami yung singlet ni daddy.
Like mama. Mama, you from?
Philippines.
Oh, like but I look like Indonesian.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
What size is that?
Size 1.
Size 1?
Yeah.
Ah.
This size 2.
Maybe 2.
How much?
180 boss.
50.
Oh, 50 only Chinit Bali boss, like this one, Chinchin Bintang boss. This basket boss, jersey boss.
We bet more than 50.
Yeah, yeah boss.
Go, give him a high five. Go. Go. Go, ate. Oh, look at Ala. Oh, that's so good. Sabi nila, bigyan daw nila ng money yung bear nila. Aww. Good job! Say high five to him. Give him a high five. Go. Aww. Give him a big high five, hello. Oh. You can give him a hug. Can you hug him or is it too big? Too big. Say bye-bye.
Can we give him a lollipop?
Oh no, he can't eat it. She wants to give him a lollipop.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, he said bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you got Indy. Oh. Nagpunta kami sa basement and they have grocery here, guys. Tingin tayo ng mga bibili natin, dalhin natin sa ano. Iuwi natin. Ah, keep going, ate. Hala. They have mangosteen, babe. Tapos you know what? I think they have lanzones as well. Parang may nakita akong may lanzones sila. Mangosteen is 9. Asan na yung daddy ko? Asa Indy? Look at Indy. Tinutok niya sa hangin. 9 something per 100 grams. Magkano na ulit yan? How much is that, babe? I can't remember now. Hindi ko kaya hindi na kaya ng utak ko. So do you just get it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll get a bag. Kakasabi ko lang kay Dana, parang hindi naman to sobrang local na mga items, but here are the local stuff. Yeah, that looks cool. They have it here, my love. Loli, yeah, that's Loli. That's good actually. How much is it? 64? So less than $1.
Is it?
Yeah, 64.
Okay.
That's right, right? Yeah.
Want some body cards or not?
But yeah, sure. Uno maybe? We don't have Uno. I don't think we have Uno at home. Yes, please. That's okay. Ayla, that's dirty, Bob.
Are they all the same inside? All the same?
Dalamnya sama kan itu kartu?
Are they all the same?
Is it the same print inside?
Iya, tak sama kan?
They're all the same?
Ada sambelnya nggak? Mana sambelnya? Different pictures.
Different pictures? Ah, different, my love.
so they're different cards.
Yeah. Thank you. Dito kami ni Indy sa Watson's. Yung katabi lang ng grocery, guys. Tingin-tingin tayo ng mga lotion, yung mga ganun. Yung mga product ng Indonesia. Yung wala sa atin. May mga lashes sila dito. May nakuha na ako eh. Ayan o. Tingin-tingin pa tayo. Last ikot ko na to. Tapos na tayo. Kasi naghihintay si daddy at saka yung ibang kids sa labas.
Remember Kak?
Sorry?
Sorry.
A bag?
Yeah, back.
Yes, please. Thank you. Nakakita na naman sila. Gusto na naman nila magbigay ng pera.
I've got no little...
Ha?
coin?
Magkano itong mga pinagbibigay ninyo? Oh. Give Ayla one. Give Ayla one. Oh. Ayla. Alo's got coin for you.
Alex, give him a dance. Give him a bum dance.
Give him bum dance. Bum dance. Look at Alo. Alo, Kapi is dancing. Kapi is dancing. Bum dance, Alo, bum dance. Bum dance. Look at Alo. Look at Alo, man. Oh man. So cute. Say bye-bye. We are back, guys. My goodness. Sakit ng likod ko. Karga-karga ko lang si Indy the whole time. Ba't papunta doon? Tulog siya. Tapos, gising siya ng mga 90% na nandun kami. Tapos, natulog siya nung pauwi na din kami. So, okay lang naman. Hindi ako nakatry ng mga damit. Pinuntahan ko yun kasi gusto ko talaga makita yung mga items ng Alo. Kasi yung mga nakikita kong reviews sa TikTok, hindi daw nila gusto yung quality. And yeah, mayroon talagang mga items dun, guys, na hindi talaga siya worth ng price niya. Tapos yung jumper din na gusto kong bilhin, buti na lang talaga chinek ko kasi ang laki. Yung double XS niya, malaki sa akin, mahaba. So kahit hindi ko i-try, alam ko na malaki siya kasi malaki talaga siya. Anyway, isa lang yung nabili ko. Yung from Mango lang. Ang liit lang nito, hindi namin kailangan ng bag. Kaya lang, kumuha kami ng bag para mabitay namin sa pram. Marami sanang magaganda dun. Kaya lang sabi ko kasi, dapat itry ko talaga yung mga damit. Unless, marireturn ko siya. So, okay lang ko i-order online. Pero kapag nasa physical shop ako, kailangan ko talaga siyang itry. Kasi ang weird nga ng mga fit ng mga bagay-bagay sa akin. Anyway, ito, tinry ko. And ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya, kasing kasyang-kasya siya sa aking pagmumuka. Hindi siya nahuhulog. Plus, hindi din tumatama yung aking lashes. So, this is from Mango. Tapos siya, hindi talaga siya nahuhulog. And $50 lang siya. 499,000 rupiah. Sabi ko ayoko nang bumili ng mamahalin na sanis kasi hindi worth it. Kasi meron akong mga makukulit na taga-hablot, taga-sira ng sanis ko. Ganda niya. So, may mga nabili ako sa grocery. Tapos, may nabili din ako sa Watsons nila. Medyo marami yun, guys. So, maya na lang siguro. Sa next vlog na lang. Tapos, hindi pa din kasi ako tapos. Babalik pa ako dun sa souvenir shop na malapit lang dito. Para bumili ng more pa. Kasi bibili ako ng more salmon skin. I love the salmon skin. Naubos ko na siya. I-try ko to. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung ano yung lasa niya. But it just looks really promising. Feeling ko ito yung klase ng snack na magugustuhan ko. So, i-try natin. Tinanong ko si ate dun, kasi wala akong maintindihan talaga sa kanya. Tinanong ko si ate dun, kasi yung sabi lang dito, super delicious, and it's premium quality daw. Yun lang yung naintindihan ko. Tapos wala din siyang lista ng ingredients. So, hindi ko alam kung matamis siya, or... Sila guys, gusto ko i-try yung lumpia. Akala ko lumpia, sumpia pala sabi. Sumpia. Tinanong ko si ate doon, is it sweet? Is it salty? Tapos sabi niya, not sweet. So sabi ko, anong laman niya? Hindi niya na ako naintindihan. So sabi ko, pork? Sabi niya, no, pork. So yun lang yung alam ko. Walang pork, tapos hindi siya sweet. So who knows? Parang, tuyo yung amoy. Yes, yun yung amoy niya guys. Masarap naman. Dalawang ganito yung binili ko. Masarap naman siya. Parang some sort of seafood yung laman. Parang fish, parang shrimp paste. Ganun yung ano niya, lasa niya at saka amoy niya. Yeah. Parang bagoong yung Masarap naman siya. Pero tama na ako sa 2 bags. Okay na ako. Mas gusto ko yung salmon skin. Yun yung damihan natin, no? Bango mo ba? Bango ng baby ko na yan. Sarap na sana ng relaxation niya dun. Kaya lang, kailangan linisin yung bouncer mo, Bob. Nag-leak man. That's good. Bumili din pala kami nito sa grocery kanina, guys. Yung vitamin C drink, I got the lemon flavor. Meron silang lemon at saka orange. Bumili kami 3. Kasi sabi ni Dan, isa lang daw yung kanya. Inumin natin to. Hello, where are we going? Chocolate dinner time? No, not chocolate dinner time. Rooftop dinner time. Dinner time! Back here. Thank you. Come on, kids.
What up she for?
You know, press the button.
Press on.
Good job, guys. Well done, hello.
Gun ready. Gun ready.
You're gone, you're gone.
I don't want to.
Mark one up.
Tingnan ito si Arlo.
Get ready.
You got your gun.
Alright, Ali. Point your gun. Get ready. Shoot. One.
Si Arlo parang yung kontrabida sa mga movie ba na? May dalang po. Ano ba rin? Hi. Ooh. Where are we sitting this time, Dada? Okay, yep. Oh yeah, you can do that. Dito na naman kami, guys. Pangatlong gabi na namin dito. Na dito kami magdi-dinner.
Tandoys. I got tandoys.
You got gone. And hopefully, meron na silang jalapeno poppers.
And no bullets.
Kasi no first night
And
namin
no
dito,
bullets.
in-order namin yun, but out of stock. Tapos sa second night, out of stock din. So hopefully
And
they
no
have that.
bullets.
I like jalapeno poppers. And we will use 3 vouchers today. Damihan namin guys kasi hindi na aabot yung aming voucher. Alis na kami, hindi pa namin nagagamit lahat. Ang dami pa namin natira. Yun yung maganda sa booking namin kasi via voucher siya. Hindi siya like kapag na-miss mo yung araw, wala na. Alam mo yun? Like kapag hindi mo nagamit yung voucher, pwede mo siyang gamitin the next time. Tapos doblihin mo lang. Alam mo yun? Kasi last night hindi namin siya nagamit because nag-dinner tayo sa labas. So ngayon, gusto ni Dan gamitin namin 3 and isang voucher includes 1 entree tapos 1 main. So kapag 3, tigta 3 entrees kami and 3 mains. So I want nachos, I want jalapeno poppers. And then, meron din kaming, hello? Can I start with drinks?
Yes.
I'll just go 1 watermelon juice and 1 passion tango. And do I give that to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Watermelon juice and passion tango.
Yes, yeah. What do you recommend with the cocktail? What's the sweetest one?
The lychee martini.
Lychee martini.
Yes.
And what's next? I've tried that.
Lychee martini and daiquiri.
Daiquiri, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So for the
That's
passion tango, it's a little bit spicy.
Yep, that's alright.
Are you okay?
That's good, yes.
If you don't want spicy, you can take it.
No, that's alright. Keep it.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Watermelon juice and passion tango.
Yes, yeah, thank you. So again, binook namin siya through Luxury Escapes and yun yung nakuha namin na deal. But meron lang siyang minimum na ano guys, minimum na days. I think you have to stay minimum 5 nights. Tas 6 nights kami dito. Kasi usually hindi kami nagsistay ng sobrang tagal sa isang lugar kasi gusto namin mag-explore din ng ibang lugar. But it worked out alright actually. Kasi 6 nights kami dito. Nakuha pa namin yung inclusion na gusto namin or yung deal nga. And then, punta kami sa ibang resort naman. So, magsistay kami sa Kempinski. Kung saan kinasal si Maha Salvador. Sa Nusa Dua naman yun. So, sa ano pa tayo? Sa Friday pa tayo alis. Wednesday tayo ngayon. Ay, umalis pala si Dan. Kasi kinuha niya nga yung voucher. Kasi dalawa lang yung dala niyang 2-course voucher. Gusto niya nga gamitin 3. Yeah, I got many. Got many. Hindi namin dinadala lahat just in case mawala. At least hindi mawawala lahat. Dinadala lang namin kung anong gagamitin namin. Tapos confusing din siya guys. Ang daming ganito namin. Kasi tig-isa kami ni Dan. Tapos nga, separate yung voucher para sa drinks. Tapos separate yung voucher para sa food. You wanna have some? No, I'll let you give it to the guy later if you want. Beautiful. Thank you.
Passion tango. Watermelon juice.
Thanks. Is there any out of stock on the menu?
Pardon me?
Is there any not available on the menu?
No, there is some of the dish from our dessert. This is content nut.
Yeah, that's alright. Do you have jalapeno poppers today?
Let me double check. I think today we didn't have an
Okay, thank you. Kung gusto niya ipatanggal yung buhok para daw makita niya yung kulot. Iba din talaga.
Hello.
Yeah, we've got a lot of vouchers.
Yep.
So we'll use 3 entrees, 3 meals, and 3 kids.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So I'll start with jalapeno poppers, and then nachos. The crab taco.
blue swimming crab taco.
Yes, please. And do you have the octopus?
Yep.
Yep. I'll go 1 octopus. And then the beef burrito.
The burrito.
Yep. And then the linguine, please.
The calamari.
The calamaris. Is that the
skewers.
The skewers? Yes. Yeah. So we'll go 1 of those.
Okay.
And then, can we do just cheese quesadilla?
Okay.
No meat, just cheese. Yep. And then,
How many names we've got so far? Just 2.
3. For the 3rd kids food, can we just do rice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just rice.
Just plain rice.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the white rice. Is it good? Oh my gosh, you're almost finished. Cheers, my love.
Oh, it's good. I like it. So we've only got 2 more food vouchers left actually. I thought we had more.
That's alright.
Yeah.
We only got tomorrow, yeah? And a lot of cocktail ones.
Got 5.
It's twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? I've never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes.
Dito kami sa time zone. I-claim lang namin yung points namin, guys.
See the
Have a look at
store.
the telephone. Just set that down and look at it.
The store.
It's cool.
Yeah, store.
Yeah.
I don't know if that cheap is.
Is he there? What price is that?
I
About
did get it
the...
from here.
Yeah.
Okay, you're $3.90.
Good night.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Tomorrow.
Oh. Ah.
Fix it.
I can fix it. No, give me the guy. Oh, no. The shoes and the arm. Alright, I'll fix him. Come on. No, I don't like these toys because we will keep fixing them.
Mom, these ones.
Yeah, your toy is good, Isla.
Baba, mine.
Your toy is very good, Isla. There you go.
Excuse me. Tonight I did a bit and a sword of fight. A sword.
Good night,
And
Isla.
a sword is good. Yeah.
See you tomorrow, boy.
Cause I feel so stupid.